Good evening, parents and students. This video will help you understand all of the number ones on homework 41 through 49 and the quiz. And it's our basic ratio table that reads, the drama club mixes paint needed for scenery. To make green, the ratio is 2 pints of blue per 3 pints of yellow. Fill in the missing numbers below. Explain your thinking. So, as we know, we will always choose home to be the section where the full ratio is given, which is 2 to 3. Then we would go from home to visit a box where we do have a number. Ask yourself, how do I get from 2 to 1? You divide by 2. So whatever you do at the top, you must do at the bottom. And 3 divided by 2 gives you 1.5. Now from there, you can go from any box that have 2 numbers to get to a box that only have 1. So it is easier for us to go from 3 to 9, and we get there by multiplying by 3. So when we take 2 and multiply by 3, we get 6. Then we look for the next thing. We would go from 3 to 15. We get there by multiplying by 5. So 2 times 5 will give us 10. So you look at your other numbers, you have 20, 60, and 50. We can go from 3 to 60 by multiplying by 20. So if you go from 2 to the vacant square above 60, multiply by 20. 2 times 20 will give you 40. We can go from 10 to 20 by multiplying times 2. So you take the 15 to the vacant spot under the 20, multiply by 2, and you'll get 30. We have 1 vacant space available. We can go from 10 to 50 by multiplying times 5, and we'll take that 15 that's under the 10 and go to the vacant spot, multiply by 5, and we get 15 times 5 will give you 75. Now that completes your chart. So the main thing you need to remember is always find a home, and your home is where you have the full ratio. Then go from one space from the home to a number that is known by taking the easiest route, and your route is to be able to multiply by a number that will give you another whole number. Now as you can see here, we did end up with a decimal, and it's because we went backwards. We divided an odd number by an even number that will give you a decimal, and it's okay to have a decimal.